ICTQual is offering you Level 5 Diploma in Civil Engineering, 240 credits, 2 years, program designed to equip you with the advanced skills and knowledge needed for a successful career in civil engineering. This diploma combines academic study with real-world applications. You will undertake practical assessments and benefit from project-based learning, allowing you to gain experience in problem-solving, teamwork, and leadership. By the end of the program, you'll be ready to work in various sectors of civil engineering, including infrastructure development, construction management, urban planning, and more. This certification is best for jobs, and also this certification is verified by British Council. This course has 24 mandatory units which will be completed in 2 years. Each year you'll study 12 units and earn 120 credits, total in 240 credits by the end of the program. Year 1, Foundation and Core Knowledge, 120 credits. Year 2, Advanced Applications and Specialization, 120 credits. This course is ideal for aspiring civil engineers, technicians and junior engineers, high school graduates, career switchers, engineering enthusiasts. Route for candidates with no experience. The candidate enrolls in the program at an ICTQual approved training center. Learners will be required to complete and submit assignments based on the course's learning outcomes. These assignments will test the learner's understanding and application of the course material. Route for experienced and competent candidates. The candidate must have at least 5 years of verified experience in civil engineering or a related field. This experience must be relevant to the learning outcomes of the qualification. The candidate must submit documentation and evidence of their work experience to demonstrate competence in the required areas. This can include job roles, responsibilities, and tasks performed that align with the learning outcomes of the course. All ICTQual qualifications are offering through its approved training centers. For registration, please consult your nearest ICTQual approved center. Visit our website at www.ictqulab.co.uk for more qualifications and information.